Ndị be anyị ekene m unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke tata na Igbo Media. Anyị si nke echiri ya zelo dịka o si dị, ọya dịrị anyị na mma na-eke, dịrị anyị na mma n'orie, dịrị anyị na mma n'afọ. Ụzọ ahịa nke ndị Igbo ji biri, ọya dịrị anyị na mma na ihe anyị na tata bụ nkwọ n'afọ Igbo. Ọya dịrị anyị na mma na nkwọ taa. Ise ebumnobi anyị na anyị ga-eweta na ya. Ise dịka o si dị, anyị wetara unu ya bụ special announcement from the office of Biafran Republic government in exile. Onye isi bụ Maazị Simon Ekpa were ihe owere igwe ndị Igbo gbasara maka the next move to liberate Biafra. Dịka o si dị, mma achọkwa unu ga ya bụ ife ọfụma asonye nụrụ si mee gịnị ya ka ọlọ nwanne ya. Dịka ị na-ege ya bụ ife ikebakwa alụ drop ụlọ your own contribution gbasara maka ife ichenụ n'ihe ndị anụ Biafran Prime Minister ji ikwu n'oge ugbu a na Igbo Media. Daalụ nne. Over to you, sir.
Even in the history, many people did it. Why our security report today is so that you know why Biafra government has raised this army called the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters. The brutality of Nigeria can no longer be condoned by anyone. The brutality of Nigeria, genocide against Biafra people, ethnic cleansing happening all over Nigeria. The Biafra people have taken it upon themselves and we have raised this army. The volunteer army, the unpaid army. They are called the Biafra Liberation Army, the Biafra Resistance Fighters and Navy. You can never defeat them. Those of them mercenaries that they have hired today are receiving $1,000 a day to fight in Biafra land, and we are decimating them. Why the people that are fighting with them, alongside with them from Nigeria, are receiving 50,000 naira a month? How much is 50,000 naira when you convert to dollar? When I will answer questions, somebody need to convert it to dollar and tell me why they are paying their mercenaries $1,000. $1,000 today is about 1.6 million. 1.6 million they are paying to their mercenaries who came to our land and they refused to walk on their foot. They are inside armored tank shooting. They don't want to come down. Those coming down and they are getting killed by the Biafra army are receiving 50,000 naira a day. Why those who are directing, commanding them what to do, how to do it, are receiving $1,000 a day? 1.6 million. And you receive $50,000 and you go there and die. The day Biafra will come. So the security report is that we continue to call on Biafrans in Olo State to be very security conscious. Those of you who are yet to flee your home, you will continue to stay indoor as long as this war lasts, because once you come outside, they're going to kill you. You know, it is what they do, what they are there to do is to kill as many Biafra as possible. And like I said, it will not stop this Biafra declaration from happening this year. It will not stop us from getting our freedom. So you have to be very, very security conscious. Be strong. The Biafra forces are doing the needful. But what I will take this as possible as long as they want. If they want to stay 1 month in Olo with their armor tank, believe me, we will sustain it for 3 months and we'll start bombing them from the air very soon. If they want to spend 2 months in Olo to subdue our men, waiting for when our bullet will finish, believe me, they have a long way to go. Our bullets can never finish. We prepared for them and we know that the days like this will come. If they are waiting to see that our arms and our bombs will finish, believe me, you can know that they have nothing to offer. A war where you will be waiting for somebody's bullet to finish before you can fight the person, you have not started. So I want to assure Biafran people that we are equal to it. Tax, remember, you have to continue to support the Biafra Defense Force. as the only way to your freedom, only way to your happiness, only way to your freedom and the security of Biafran land. We have sealed the entire state. It is state by state. The Biafra Defense Force will continue to decimate targets. Our targets are those slaughterhouses they call prisons, those slaughterhouses they call detention centers, those slaughterhouses, especially where they keep our people in deep freezer, in barracks, in many military bases. These are targets. So, like I have been warning and calling attention of Biafra people for the past month, if you are staying very close to barracks, please be very, very security conscious. Once it is 6 o'clock, go to your home and never come out. I am telling you the fact. Once it is 6 p.m., go inside your house. And I am telling you, not just in Ono, I'm saying anywhere in Biafra land, and you live very close to any military barracks, any military base, once it's p.m., go inside your house. Don't come out, because when the Biafra forces Biafra fallen victim, it is our responsibility to protect you as much as possible. And that's why we will continue to call your attention before anything will happen to any place. Our target is that those places where our people are being slaughtered will be decimated one after the other. And believe me, it is going to happen in your own very eyes. Every prison or so-called slaughterhouse where our people that have disappeared for many months are being kept, we will all decimate all of them. From Okigwe to Owerri to Obinze to 82 to Anambra, everywhere where I am telling you, we are not hiding it. What we are saying is that you cannot continue to kill Biafrans anymore. We have risen up to make sure that we defend our land. The difference here is that Americans were not being killed like we are being killed to the British. The same policy is against us. The same ethnic cleansing is going on against our Biafra people. The same annihilation is happening. So they have come with policy, guns, bullets, and barrels of gun. Added to the injustice, added to the impunity, added to the marginalization, added to other impunity and other exclusion in the government of Nigeria since 1967. So they have come to kill, not just about policy. So we are, we have been at the receiving end, paying the price of one Nigeria over 50 years. And this is the time that we are taking it upon ourselves to stop Nigeria from killing us. And the stopping of Nigeria from killing us is not by always standing and waiting for them to come and you defend yourself. No, we are taking this war to them. The best first defense is to attack the enemies while they are planning to attack you. And because they have attacked us, that particular attack and killings of Biafra people has been established in many print media. There are many videos out there, and it is not something that anybody is denying. The killings going around all over Nigeria, being sponsored by the Nigerian state for the Islamization, must be condemned by every reasonable person. And it is not just enough that you condemn Nigeria terrorist state for killing its own people, but also action has to be. We have condemned them for the past 50 years and nothing has changed. And it is time we'll enforce it. Does not only come by the action that the Biafra government are doing today. It will only come by the actions and defense that the Biafra Defense Forces have displayed today in our land. That is the only way the changes and freedom will come. It will not come by just defending yourself, waiting for them to come and kill you and then you defend yourself. No, you have to continue to decimate them wherever they are planning to attack anywhere in Biafra. Go there and decimate everywhere. And that's the approach we are taking from today. So this security briefing is just to make sure that people in Olo and other part of old Imo State will be at we'll be very, very alert, security conscious, and make sure that whenever you hear anything from us, you take it very seriously. Any security announcement, any security alert, any information concerning security you hear from us, you have to take it very seriously and stay indoor, especially from 6 p.m. Don't come out. Stay your home. You don't have any business anywhere after 6 p.m. The mercenaries that are in our land all dead. I'm telling you the fact. Do nothing else. So I will be taking a few questions before I leave this briefing schedule. But I will take a few questions as I have another meeting, another security meeting coming up after another meeting that will start in the next 30 minutes. We have in a security meeting. So please, those people that are hosts, can you bring in maybe 2 or 3 persons that want to ask questions based on the war that is going on today in Olu and in Olu State. So the deputy of media, deputy minister of media, over to you.
Thank you, able Prime Minister Obatovie, in our favor. Thank you so much, our Prime Minister, in the mighty name of Chukwukadiama. My brother Success,
Yes,
please take the microphone also so that we'll quickly bring in a question here because our Prime Minister said doesn't have much time. Success, please.
Thank you, Mazi Rafan. Thank you, everyone. Good evening, Your Excellency, our Prime Minister, the good guy. In fact, you are the best thing that has ever happened to this very generation, and I'm proud to be with you and proud to work with you, and I'm proud to be in this very generation which you existed. Here we go, Mazi Rafan. Go ahead
Thank you very
and
much.
bring people in while I take them out.
Beautiful. Thank you. Please follow BIAFRANS. We have a lot of people here listening, and we have almost 1,000 people. Please raise your hands if you have a question to ask the Prime Minister. I want to initiate bringing in people right now. Please, as you come in, try and raise up your hand because that will enable me to quickly give you the microphone. Please, already, if you are in the room, begin to raise up your hands. And if you have, okay, Jaja Godson, Jaja Godson, I can see you're flashing your hand. Please take the microphone and go straight to the point. Godson, are you there? Jaja Godson,
Yes, my Deputy Minister of Information. I'm here. Thank you so much. And our own Prime Minister, I call you my own Prime Minister. I salute you from here, Meje Buago. And my brother Success, I salute you from here. Ogonna, please mute your mic. Mute your mic. You gave an assignment to us, the Prime Minister, to give you the figure that those indigenous persons serving in the Nigerian terrorist army, the amount they are being paid, while the foreigners that are callers. But those that are indigenous people are being paid 50,000 naira is equivalent to $33. 50,000 is equivalent to $33 as of today. So my
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And so they are getting killed and putting their life on the line for $30. That's good to hear. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my Prime Minister. I don't really have a question, but just to say 1 or 2 things. Just imagine how your country valued you. Those indigenous people that are still serving in the terrorist camp of Nigeria. Your life is worth $33. While the life of others that are being invited to come and help you are being paid more than you, and you are still serving to kill your own people. Shame on you, because when you come, you will also die.
Can you tell them exactly how much the foreigners are being paid? not more than you. 1 point something million. You need to call the figures.
Foreigners are being paid 1 point something million. 1 point something. $1,000 today is over 1,200 and something thousand naira. 1,200,000 and something thousand naira today. So you are receiving not even 1/4 or 50/4 of the amount that those invaders are being paid. Shame on you if you continue. My Prime Minister, may Elohim continue to guide you and give you the most important, any kind of strategy that you're going to use, those strategies that are needed to combat these hoodlums. May Elohim shower it on you, coupled with the wisdom that you asked for. He said. Thank you, my Prime Minister.
Thank you so much, Jaja Godson. I can see the hand there. Chris Mbuyi, please unmute yourself. Make it 60 seconds. Let's be very fast about that. Thank you very much.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening, my PM. Self out to secure your people. Please, I have this question. Now that our people who are still serving in the zoo force, they have now known the amount that government used to pay the foreigners 1.5 million. Let me just put it like that. Why they are earning below 100,000. Now, is there any mercy for them if eventually our army catch them on their stupidity? Is there any mercy for them? That is my question. Thank you very much.
There is no mercy for the people that are under. It is only God that will have mercy on them, and our job is to send them to God to judge them, and He can shower the mercies on this, in this life to them and give them as many mercy as possible. But we, as a people, defending our land, our life, with everything in us, we don't have that particular.
Daalụ nne na ụmụ ife kunu siwere esoyere anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo Media. Ọ bụ na ịmahọ Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi, nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka obodo anyị bụ ana Igbo and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dịka ya bụ ikpe ya si aga n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe. Unu afụgodo ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwuru. Or say after meeting with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, today we resolve that the Biafran Republic government in exile will now take full responsibility of the legal team to effect from today, 8 February 2024. Alright, so I go school Twitter and ya kono fuku ya. Mana gị mana ya bụ Igbo Media ka isi were wetara n'ozi a. Asọ ya nụrụ si megini ya kọrọ nwanne ya. Ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.